Hey Dreamers, this is Mike, and in our latest release, the Festive Ornaments SVG bundle, we do include the photo ornament, and in that photo ornament, we do include a photo template. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use that photo template in Cricut Design Space. So I do have that template uploaded into Design Space, and I am going to click Make It. And I want to move this towards the bottom. Essentially, we are going to put our photo underneath this after it cuts. So we want to make sure that we have room to peel back our paper and insert our photo underneath. So I like to move that to the bottom, but you want to make sure that you have enough room that your photo fits. So approximately here would be good. And I'm going to click Continue. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I have a sheet of cardstock that covers this area. I have an 8.5 by 11 that I'm using. You're going to want to send this to your cutter, and then I'll meet you over there. Ensure you do not unload it, and I'll show you why. All right, so now our circle has been cut into the cardstock, and the important thing is you do not want to unload the mat. You want to leave the mat in the machine. You do not want to click that unload button. So we're just going to peel back the template a little bit. We're going to eventually throw it away, so just use a scrap piece of paper. And I can remove my circle. And I'm just going to carefully line my image up. About right. And I'm just going to, I'm not even going to tape it down. My mat is sticky, but if your mat wasn't sticky, you might want to reinforce that. I'm just going to leave mine just like that. And now I'm just going to hit the cut button again, and it'll send it right back, and it will cut my photo out in the exact spot that needs to be. There you go.